What is up, YouTube? Disto Grower here. We are out in the site of the outdoor garden. This is where it was last season, right over these rocks. There's a tiny little hill, and in fact, I never even picked up my pots. They're still out there. But you can see some of my equipment right there. So anyway, we're just maybe 100 yards further up the hill. It's a better location. Last season I was worried about, there's a house like way right there, right above my finger. You can't really tell, but that's a house. And I would have put him out here last year, but I was, there's a clear view from here to there, and I just didn't know how my neighbors felt about things. Well, it turns out that house is actually vacant, I learned. So it's all go, and I've got, I'm going to do 9 again this year. We're going to do 9 Dream Lotus, just like last year. Well, actually, I lost the Tangerine Dream, so I don't have it anymore. And it was really nice and things it produced, but it was just very slow to grow vegetatively. It was also late to finish, and it was just sort of genetically inferior in my opinion. Not that it wasn't good. I mean, it was fine. It was excellent. It had a fantastic flavor, and I kind of wish I still had it. I'd run it every now and then just for personal, but it's not the sort of thing to do when you're trying to make as much as you can. And with doing, like last year I did 6 Dream Lotus and 3 Tangerine Dreams, so this year I'll do all Dream Lotus, and you get a better crop. It's better uniformity. You're working with one strain. I can really tack it down as far as what they're asking for and not have to try to give this plant one thing and give these sets of plants another thing, or even worse, try to split it down the middle and make them both happy with the same mix. It often doesn't work very well. So anyway, this is just the introduction to the season. Quick video. I'm preparing my plot, and got my spots 1, 2, and 3. And there's 3 more here, and you can't really see it, but there's 3 more over there. I've cleared them all out. These first 3 are leveled, and I'm going to get working on these other 6. And this year also going to lay down some sort of barrier on the surface under the pot, between the bottom of the pot and the dirt, because if you go back actually to last season's videos, you will see that I lost 2 of those Tangerine Dreams. And I thought it was just me not watering them or kind of dropping the ball or something. When at the end of the season, when I flipped those pots over, I was able to see that it was actually gophers had dug up into the fabric and ate the tap roots. And, they just couldn't recover, even with their root mass, apparently. And it died off. So, it wasn't my fault as far as the irrigation. It was my fault for not preparing for that. So this year I'm going to lay some sort of fencing or something down here, some rabbit wire, and take care of that, and hoping for a good crop. What's up, bud? You got your ball? You get it. You've destroyed it. Good job. Alright guys, well, stay tuned. I'll make updates. The plants are vegging in 2 gallons in the greenhouse. The clones, I just transplanted them about a week or 2 ago. So I would have liked to get them started maybe just a week or 2 earlier, but they'll be fine. I'm sure they're going to grow tall. Last year I didn't get plants in the ground until July 1st. So this year I'm going to do it right. They'll be in the ground on June 1st, and I'll get an entire extra month of veg. So stay tuned for that, guys. New season 2015. Peace.